Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove the Google sign-in requirement in the Google form survey. So here I've already opened a Google form, and to remove the sign-in requirement, just go to the settings tab in here. Then click on the responses. So click on the arrow down. So you need to turn or set these two options. The first one is the collect email address. You can see the current setting is verified, so the respondent will be required to sign in. You need to change it into do not collect. Okay, and after that, the second one is this one, limit to one respond. Just turn this off, and after that, the required sign in will be gone. So after that, you can just share the form survey to the respondents. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on thanks. Bye.